Our AUK Silicone Chisel Guards are an excellent way of keeping your sharp chisels in tip-top condition. The silicone is easy to push on, expands and actually will then grip onto whatever size that you've got. So we might go from as small as for 3mm up to 33mm for the widest of chisels. But not only for keeping our chisels in good nick, we might use them for our router cutters, our knives, our awls and our punches. Anything you want to protect, this is the ideal bit of kit. To buy our AUK Silicone Chisel Guards, look at us on woodworkersworkshop.co.uk and don't forget to check us out on our social media channels.